In this session, we're going to get into a little bit of a thing that some people are seeing with attributes. So attributes could be put on a project or a subcontractor. There's separate videos on adding attributes for a project or subcontract. So I'm not going to get into the adding and so forth, but I am going to talk about deleting them and some things that have been seen. So I'm going to go into my configuration. We're going to go to projects. And here's a reference ID that I'm going to say I don't want to use anymore. So I'm going to go ahead and hit delete here. Now, when you delete these attributes, one of two things is going to happen. Either it's going to delete it entirely, or it's going to do like this one did, where it's going to say show deleted, where I'm still going to see it in the list. What this show deleted means is it means that that attribute is still being referenced on whatever this attribute associates with. So in this case, I'm looking at project attributes. So I've still got some project out there that must be utilizing that. So it won't let me delete it entirely. So it won't show up when somebody's entering new ones or things like that. So it is somewhat gone, but it's still somewhat in the back of the system because it's still got some project out there that's associating with that attribute. So to get rid of it entirely, I'm going to hit this arrow up here, and that's going to basically put it back into my list. If I go and look at my projects, I'm going to go over to the far right here, and there's this reference. So if I go in and sort by it, that should put them, both by each other. So if I go in and click on one of them, I should be able to go back in and find my details, and I'm going to just take that value out. And let's go ahead then, and where is my other one at? So it looks like it's right there. So I'm going to take it out also. And now if I go back to my gear and back to projects and looking at my project reference ID, if I hit my trash can there and delete it, now it did not pop down here to show the deleted. So that way, in that case, there's no projects that used it, so it got rid of it altogether. Exact same concept with subcontracts and things like that. So, if I just take a quick look at subs, down here, it would show if I had, let's see, I think that old rating, I think I've still got out there. So, there again, if I deleted it, it would show up down here, and I would have to go find all the subcontractors that had that old rating and delete them before it would actually get rid of it altogether. So, just a little bit more about attributes. Thanks for watching.